Welcome to Eagle Leather Trading Co. I'm Michael Eagle. Today we're going to that next level I keep promising and talking about, the 4D leather.
Get you some of that.
Okay, let's mess it up. We need to get under there. Get under. Oi. Okay, let's put this back because it tried to cave in. Give it a little support. I may leave those in there. I was thinking about doing the larger version and then put some foam behind it. All right, let's tuck up under those feathers, fingers, and just slice underneath there. Try to stay with the line, the existing line, flip that up. Okay, 4D right there, baby. 1D, the art. Oh, I should tool it first. 2D, and then 3D. Should I tool it first? Around it, the edge bevel around the outside. Let's try it. Okay, where is that? Here it is, edge bevel. Uh-oh. Come on now, it's a brand new Exacto X Dosh CATO. Looking kind of rough, but it's coming up there. Not for everyone. Get up under that feather. There we go. Jab it in there and pull it out. Right there. Okay, feather sticking up. Look at that. Can you dig it? I can. Got that one up a little more. Now these should be cute and dangerous. We're just going to roll around these and just get a little bit on the tips there. Look, they came right up. Let's do the same thing right here, only up on. Slice it in. Let's fillet those. Oh, we got a big chunk. That's almost like skiving. They're not separated. Oh, a little bit, yeah. So we can go in from this way on the line that I've already cut. Separate those. Ta-da! Now let's just do a little arch cut right here on this second row. Let's just kind of roll the blade around there, right at the tip of all those. There they go. Not these, those are too little. Let's do the tail, shake a tail feather. Okay, Ted Nugent, watch your fingers. Roll that one. The roll seems to be a pretty good technique. See that? They came up. Look at that. Yay. 3D bird. 3D feathers. Now we have to be tricky with the die. That's going to be the 5th dimension. Take 4.